Yo, my sweet, cute students, we about to drop that Bevel Modifier vibe. First we grab a cube, scale it on the X, hit tab, go to edit Y for the bottom next, then GZ, push it up high, flexing that scale, no stress. Then we bounce back to object mode, CTRL plus a we press, all transforms locked, now every edge gets that bevel finesse. Cavities on, every angle shines, details popping all the time. No cap bottle, grab that cylinder, scale it sky high. GZ lift it up, S plus shift plus Z, watch it fly. All transform hit, cylinder get that shade auto smooth. Stack it tight, watch it flex, that's the groove. Oh yeah, switch it back, edit mode in the zone. Edge select on, hit a bevel every edge we own. After bevel's on, set amount 2.6, throw in 8 segments for that smoothness fix. Listen up, take the code, modifiers drop only in object mode. Switch back to edit mode, we back in the game. Now we hit the top edge of the cylinder, bevel it the same. Now it's time to design that perfume label vibe. Grab a plain Y-axis 90, GZ lift it high. Slide it on G+X, fit the bottle just right. Just it smooth, make that label tight. After label set, we switch to edit mode flow. Remember, bevel verts, not edges, that's the way. Low poly label smooth, now it's looking slay. Hit a select all verts bevel modifier, we go. Bottle label set, now we drop the name. Bevel in thick font, yeah, we play the game. Apply that text, blender style, make it pop. Bevel it smooth, rise to the top. Thanks for watching.